Hi, I'm Heather from Money Loop, here to keep you informed on everything to do with investing, money and crypto. In today's video, I'm going to be answering all the questions you may have about Novo Bank. I'm going to provide answers to some Novo Bank frequently asked questions from FAQ, which are: what is Novo Bank? Is Novo Bank legit? Is it safe to use Novo Bank? Is it free to use Novo Bank? And is Novo Bank crypto friendly? And also, I'm going to be addressing any Novo Bank details you should really know about if you're thinking of banking with them. And make sure you stick to the end of this video because I will show you 5 reasons you may not want to use Novo Bank. Not many people don't want you to know about these things, so let's get started. First question is, what is Novo Bank? With the increasing popularity of Novo Bank, one question seems to pop up more frequently, and that is, who are actually just what are they? Who are they? And let me tell you, Novo Bank is a digital bank that provides a free business checking account for company operations and integration with other business tools. That sounds very fancy. Novo's digital banking platform is tailored to small businesses, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. It offers awesome company deposit accounts for today's businesses, and it's also powered by a network of FDIC-insured local banks. For those of you who may be wondering, where is Novo Bank? Is it situated anywhere? Well, it does actually have a physical location, located in New York City's letter on the street, New York. However, they are a completely digital bank with no branches though. Kind of like this tree, it's not many branches. Novo is without a doubt a business banking platform created with today's company owners in mind. Since releasing their private beta, freelancers, startup founders, and small firm entrepreneurs have been opening commercial checking accounts in minutes, securely and simply with no minimum balance restrictions. To be clear, Novo Bank is a software firm that is not owned or directed by a bank. They do not conduct banking activities and instead rely on their excellent business partner, Middlesex Federal Savings, to handle it. With easy-to-use technologies for companies on the go, Novo is revolutionizing small company banking in today's world. Novo Business Checking, with no monthly fees, unlimited returns for ATM costs, and a priority on digital banking, is ideal for small business owners who imagine a great future ahead of them. Why wouldn't you? Here's another reason why. Novo is a really smart banking partner. Novo created a cloud-based accounting solution that allows you to work across different platforms with ease and also offers integrated invoicing tool as well as direct integration with major business applications, making it perfect for centralizing financial procedures and handling several accounts at the same time. Woo! Boom! Just be aware though, as Novo is mostly online, it does not allow cash deposits, which is an important feature for many firms. So no cash here. Many competing institutions, on the other hand, provide access to challenger banks that allow you to deposit money. Cash. This may be bad for some, but if it has no negative impact on your company's operations, then Novo Bank may still be an excellent alternative for you. Some small enterprises do not handle cash at all. And since transactions and online payments are ideal for them, Novo Bank is just perfecto. How do you know if Novo Business Checking is ideal for you as a small business owner? I got you on this. If you answer yes to any of these next questions, then Novo is for you. Do you want a free business checking account with no minimum balance requirement? Yes? Then Novo Bank is a good option for you. Ooh, let's do another one. Do you prefer to manage your money online and do not require a regular deposit of cash? Yes? Wonderful. Novo Bank is a perfect choice then. Do you want to be able to use any ATM in the United States or abroad without paying fees? Did you answer yes? If so, Novo Bank does that just for you. Do you want to link your business checking account to financial services they already use? Well, if you answered yes, Novo Bank is a Romeo to your Juliet without the tragedy. You get what I mean? If all of these features seem to be what you want from a bank, you should begin thinking about opening up a Novo Bank account. This brings us to the next question. how can you open a Novo Bank account? Opening a Novo Bank account is actually super easy. I've added a link in the description straight to the sign up page just for you, just to make it easier. To complete this application, Novo Bank requires that all applicants submit a copy of their signed personal identification, a mobile phone number, a social security number, as well as a residential address in the United States. Also, you have to be over 18 years old. So if not, gonna have to wait. If it's for a company, you need to add in your company type. So for example, let me pick sole proprietorships and partnerships as two examples for this video. Lots of ships. As a sole proprietorship, you'll need a copy of your ID, proof of residency, this could be your utility bill, mortgage, lease document, etc., etc., and also your DBA certificate. You'll also need an SSN and a cell phone that uses one of the big 4 US carriers. You should also take note that to apply for a sole proprietorship account, you must be a United States citizen. Please double check that you have all of these items before beginning your application, as if you miss any of these, it could cause a lot of delays. The requirements, on the other hand, are a little different for a business partnership. You'll need all members of your partnership to sign the paperwork if they own more than 25% of your company. And if you can't find the paperwork, you can get them online through your state's Secretary of State. If you're unable to discover them for some reason, they may follow up by requesting one of the following documents. Your partnership agreement. A partnership agreement is a legal document that sets out the parameters and conditions of a partnership relationship, including percentages of ownership and profits and losses distribution. It also includes information about each partner's management capabilities and responsibilities. The next required document is the Certificate of Partnership. This is a legal form filed with the state government to form a limited partnership. These differ by state and each has its own criteria. And if you have any questions about your state's rules, I recommend that you contact your state department for further information, because honey, I don't have the answers. Sweet, your Novo Bank is ready to rock and roll, like Elvis. So what's next? Let's chat some crypto, shall we? Is Novo Bank crypto friendly? Novo is unable to assist with Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency, related businesses at this moment. They recognize that this type of currency is becoming more and more popular every day, especially in the United States, and they will provide further information if the restriction changes in the future. However, at this moment in time, cryptocurrency isn't on their radar, so yeah, fortunately not. Why? The reason they currently don't support cryptocurrencies and businesses related to them is because there's no regulatory framework to define the business relationship with their customers operating in this space, so they cannot guarantee safe transactions. And we know crypto needs to be safe. What are the disadvantages of Novo Business Checking? Okay. Novo is a great option for those who want an easy and convenient way to bank. However, before you consider them as like your go-to financial institution, there are some potential drawbacks that could keep people from signing up. No interest accounts. Novo's website specifically says it wants to explore interest-bearing options for its customers in the future, but right now, there is no way of getting any extra cash without paying fees or having your funds inaccessible. There's also no loans. Novo only offers one product, a business checking account. If you need loans or credit products, you'll have to look somewhere else. There's also no physical branches. The Novo Business Checking account is 100% an online banking product, so there are zero branches. But many people still want to go in person to talk to people about their business. And if you want an account where you can go into the bank, then choose another bank. No outgoing wires either. You can receive wire transfers at Novo without any cost, but you cannot send them from their account. They have partnered with TransferWise to do this for a fee, but there is no way to send them domestically, unfortunately not. Also, Novo doesn't really like cash. The Novo business account is not designed to take cash, so if you want to put money in the account, you will need to deposit into another account first and then transfer it in, which might take some time. This might not be the best option for someone who deals with cash often. So if that's you, I don't think Novo Bank is your choice. You can stop watching this video. You may feel these points are an issue, but remember, Novo Bank has other trade-offs to make up for this shortcoming. I hope you found this video helpful, and now you have like a clearer picture of what Novo Bank is and how to create an account with them. Like I said, link in the description below. There are numerous other outstanding challenger bank options to explore. Just see which one works for you. However, you might need a trustworthy guide who can offer an impartial assessment of how to get started, as well as a step-by-step tutorial on how to proceed should you choose it. It's a bad idea to rely on chance search engine results in the light of false and outdated information, which is littered all over the internet, and that is where I come in. Hello! I'll give you a recommendation so you can figure out what accounts you should consider and how you may want to get started with them. So what is your next step? Your next step is to watch the Ali Bank auto review. I'm going to give you all the info you need about Ali Bank, whether you want to sign up with them. I also have stuff here about cryptocurrency too, whatever you fancy. Just check it out, it'll be somewhere on the screen. Go ahead, click that and watch. Also, if you learned something new from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and subscribe. Thanks so much.